Colorado is currently experiencing a significant early-season snowstorm that has brought travel to a standstill and disrupted daily life across the state. Heavy snow continues to fall across the Denver metro area and the Front Range, with additional accumulations expected through Saturday morning. Governor Jared Polis has declared a disaster emergency, mobilizing resources to address the storm's impact. Denver International Airport is among the hardest hit, with nearly 500 flights canceled and over 900 delayed. Travelers face mounting challenges as road closures and hazardous driving conditions make it difficult to navigate the region. Major interstates, including I-70 and I-25, have been shut down in various sections, blocking access to neighboring states like Kansas and New Mexico. The Colorado Department of Transportation has warned that conditions could remain treacherous well into the weekend, with snowplows struggling to keep pace. Snowfall totals are staggering, with some areas already buried under more than 2 feet of snow. Jefferson County has reported over 20 inches, while parts of the eastern plains and southeastern Colorado brace for even more. The storm is expected to deliver an additional 6 to 10 inches of snow to Denver, with totals exceeding 3 feet in some rural areas. As a result, schools and businesses have closed, and power outages are becoming increasingly common. Emergency shelters have opened their doors, and organizations like the Denver Rescue Mission are calling for volunteers to help meet the increased demand for meals and shelter. Authorities urge residents to stay off the roads and prepare for potential disruptions as the storm continues to unleash heavy, wet snow, causing down branches and power lines. This historic snowstorm is a stark reminder of the unpredictability of Colorado's weather. While the immediate focus remains on managing the storm's impacts, forecasters anticipate a brief reprieve as temperatures begin to rise by Sunday, leading to rapid snowmelt and improved travel conditions. Until then, residents are advised to remain vigilant and prioritize safety.